this one here, we start with the core word here. You know what a sign is, right? What's a sign? It's something that shows you something, right? So we have a verb to signify. To signify something basically means it shows you. So if you see a red sort of symbol like this, right? It signifies that you should stop, right? Everywhere in the world you have the same shape and the same color for a stop sign. So this shape and this color signifies that you should stop. But the main part of this word is here in this sig, this sign part here. So signify. But then we have one little problem. When we add more syllables, now it's really hard to say. If we put the stress here, try significant. We don't like to have that many weak syllables. It's just hard to say. So in this word, the stress has to change to the next one. So it's not significant. We have sign, signify, but significant. Okay? So significant. At the beginning, adding in, I'll hit another one to you, it's really easy. Insignificant. Okay? And a large part of the music, when we sing, a large part of the importance of this is how the beats work. So, this is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. When we have our counting for these sounds, we need to follow the melody, the beat, but we also need to know where the syllable stress is. So, in means not. We can make that sound more important. So it works. This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. Okay? So I said, this is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. Yeah, but when we know where the beats are, we can start counting. Here we have a bit of a problem because this is also 1, but you have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So insignificant. So we have here, right? We need those little half beats in there. And then foolishness. Okay? Actually, I think it's more like, yeah, this is pretty close. Okay, so this is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. 1, 2, 3, go. This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. Right? We've got to squeeze in those extra syllables, and it's part of how we sing, it's also part of how we speak. So this is where it's very different from Chinese. In Chinese syllables, this is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness, right? But that doesn't work in English. So that's why it's good practice. 'Tis just a little ditty for to liven up your day. This one is easier, right? Where are the beats? Right? The 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Where's the ones? 'Tis just a little ditty for to liven up your day. It's just a little ditty for to liven up your day. So if the ones, we can sort of clap, right? This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. Where are they in this line? I'll play the first part again for you.
This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. It's just a little ditty for to liven up your day. You're looking for inspiration or intellectual wit. We're sorry to disappoint you.
Alright, that's the beat of the song. So the first two lines again.
Just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. It's just a little ditty for to liven up your day. You're looking for inspiration or for intellectual wit. We're sorry.
I meant to stop it after that first part, yeah. So, you got the feeling for it? This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. 'Tis
just a little ditty for to liven up your day.
okay. So where are the stressed ones? Like just, piece, in, fool. With the second line? Wants to show me where the, like this one. Just a little piece, insignificant foolishness, right? 'Tis. Where is the stress?
Of insignificant foolishness is just a little ditty for to liven up your day.
So, which words? Just, yeah. Is just ditty. Yeah. Yeah. So, what we can do now then is fill in the other numbers. Right? Okay. So, if you're looking for inspiration or for intellectual wit, again, we have long words there, but inspiration. 这个字有听过吗? Inspiration. What does it mean? Okay. This sphere here refers to breathing. So, when you inspire, it says breathe in. Expire, breathe out, okay? If we talk about your body, inspire, expire, it's just, all right? But these ideas have other meanings as well. If you say that food is expired, right? When you buy food or anything that you can eat, there's a date on it. There's an expiry date or an expiration. You have different ways to say that. That's the date when that food will be dead, right? As in you should not eat it anymore. So food can expire. That means it's not safe to eat. People can expire. What we mean by that is, yeah, so that's expiring. But inspire also has another meaning. If you inspire someone, girls, have you ever heard a guy say something like, "You're the air I breathe"? You know, when guys are trying to be romantic, "Your eyes are stars in the sky," and you know, crap like that, yeah? So, sometimes we'll talk about being the air that somebody breathes, right? As in, I can't live without you, right? You ever have a boyfriend who said that? You know, I can't live with, don't go, I can't live without you. If you leave me, I'll die, right? So, inspire has that kind of extra meaning, but also when it comes to art, any kind of art, music or painting, you need ideas. You need something to write about, something to sing about, or to paint, right? So when you're thinking about what you should paint, and there's just no picture in your head, you pick up your brush and you're like, there's nothing to do, right? You need some kind of idea that will go into your head so that you can start painting. That's inspiration. And inspiration is an idea that you breathe in. There's a picture, there's a smell, a sound. It goes into you and it gives you ideas. Okay? That's inspiration. So, this song is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. If it is significant, then it signifies something. It means something. If it's insignificant, then right? It doesn't have any real value, no meaning. It's just a little ditty. A ditty is a song for to liven up your day, to make your day more alive, right? So if you're looking for inspiration, or this word, have you seen it before? Intellectual. Dios me dice. Yeah, it's like the word intel. Intel is part of a longer word, intelligence. Right? So when the computer says it has Intel inside, well, then you wonder, is there any intelligence outside? That's a problem with cell phones, right? If the phone is that smart, then the user doesn't have to be. Right? So, intellectual is similar to this word about intelligence. It's an idea about this. So, wit is, like being able to make a clever joke, right? That kind of wit is very smart. You have to be